Making do with less, a guide to thriving in scarcity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting and relevant phrase, making do with less. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of the English language. So, let's unpack the layers of this expression together. Making do with less is a phrase that encapsulates a powerful concept. It refers to the ability to manage or survive with limited resources or in situations where there is not enough of what is usually considered necessary. It's about adaptability, creativity, and resilience. When you make do with less, you find ways to achieve your goals despite having fewer resources, whether that's money, time, materials, or anything else. While the exact origin of this phrase is hard to pinpoint, it's deeply rooted in human history. People have always found ways to adapt to their circumstances and make the most of what they have. This phrase embodies a spirit of resourcefulness that has been crucial for survival and success throughout the ages. 1. Personal budgeting. Imagine you've had to cut back on spending. Making do with less might mean using coupons, buying secondhand, or finding free entertainment options. 2. Environmental sustainability. Opting to use public transport or carpooling instead of driving alone can be a way of making do with less to benefit the environment. 3. Cooking and meals. Sometimes, you might not have all the ingredients for a recipe. Making do with less involves improvising with what you have to still create a delicious meal. Understanding and applying the concept of making do with less is crucial in today's world. It fosters innovation, sustainability, and personal growth. By learning to thrive with less, we not only adapt to our immediate circumstances but also contribute to a more sustainable and equitable world. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and implications of making do with less. This phrase is more than just survival. It's about thriving, innovating, and moving forward with resilience. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration. Remember, sometimes having less can indeed push us to achieve more. Stay curious, and keep learning.